Small businesses are capitalizing on the Tourism Linkages Network initiative Christmas in July. Growing and exposure is the theme of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
The Tourism Linkages Network's Christmas in July event aims to promote small local businesses by showcasing their products to potential buyers who are given the opportunity to make arrangements for their souvenirs and gifts to be produced ahead of Christmas. But purchasing gifts on site is not an option. So how can the Tourism Linkages Network determine if the aim is being achieved? Director Carolyn McDonald-Riley says they've designed a way to measure the success of businesses by how much income is generated.
One of the rules we put in this year is that anybody who repeats has to give us the figure as to how much money was generated last year. So we were able to get information from 45% of the businesses last year, and they indicated that their sales, their income was close to $10 million.
This year's staging saw more participants than last year, which posed some challenges for producers due to the pandemic. In light of the COVID-19 restrictions, it was an invitation-only event, while some producers were not physically present. There were several repeat participants.
There's a lot of networking going on, a lot of integration with other artisans. And outside of that, the traction is really good. You're going to get to interact with a lot of people, get new customers. To this day, I have customers from 2019, so they have helped me, exponentially.
Well, this has been our third time here, and from the very first time, actually, we started to see results immediately. Apart from people buying directly at that event, that was pre-COVID, of course, but people have since remembered us and they told us that, I met you at Christmas in July, so we've definitely seen the benefits from that, and people do make the orders.
And the event has also increased revenues for businesses.
Initially, in 2019, there was I would say probably about a 20 to 30% increase in sales, and 2019, since being a part of it. Of course, that was impact sales, direct sales at the event, not necessarily repeat customers. But for that particular event, there was 20 to 30% increase in sales.
With more exposure, some are even looking to expand their offerings.
I'll be getting into leatherworks soon, and so that will include earrings and necklaces, especially for women, but also things like leather flowers to adorn these wooden handbags. Yes, leather flowers can be curled and be made into a form similar to these here, so I'll be doing some of those, and wooden earrings and so on as well.
The fashion sector, however, saw a decline in applicants this year, but that didn't stop the hosting of a fashion show.
We felt it was necessary to still push and execute this project to give them the opportunity to remind people that they are doing business, that they are ready. And of course, with the reopening of tourism, come and get fashion, come and get your resort wear, come and get your casual pieces, your business wear. We can supply it, the suppliers here can do it.
With positive feedback and improved results each year, businesses are looking to continue applying to participate. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.